But I do want to explain what I mean by what we call AI GRCC. So by governance, I mean who can
Mm.
do what with AI at your company. You don't want everybody to be a super user of AI. That's just not good cybersecurity practices. So you might create some agents for customer service that answer questions or give them tips on talking to a client. That's very different from the one your CFO has that looks at the books and records of the firm, right? And helps you manage your company, right? Totally different AI agents. Don't give everybody the same agents. And AI agent security is becoming a thing, right? Like who gets access to that agent, right? So that's one of the things we do on the governance side is who gets access to which agents. And not only that, maintaining each individual's permission awareness through their single sign-on, like Microsoft Enter ID. So you might have an agent, it might let you theoretically look at a database, but if you yourself don't have access to that database, it's not going to work, right? So it's kind of belt and suspenders in terms of security and governance in case someone hacks in, takes your login and is trying to do things that they shouldn't do. By risk management, I mean things like blocking not safe for work topics, kind of like we block, certain internet sites on the internet, encrypting all data in motion and at rest. If someone types in personal information or personal health information, the option to encrypt it before it goes out to the AI, which is required in some cases in Europe and the US. And then by compliance, I mean, there are all kinds of rules, especially for banks and healthcare around what are you allowed to do with AI, what are you not, having a full audit trail of everything everybody's done, all your model changes. And cybersecurity is the most obvious thing where the most secure is what we do, deploying the models on-prem or in your private cloud. In fact, you could load up our software in 14 minutes, download the models, connect it to all your data, all that kind of stuff, and then literally unplug it from the internet and run it air-gapped at the Pentagon. That's how secure our software is. Now, of
That's
course, most
powerful.
clients want access to the internet too, which is fine, but we do have the ability to basically run it in a dark room, not plugged into the internet, which is pretty cool.